Hello beautifuls! Today I'll be reviewing magnetic eyelashes and magnetic eyeliner from Amazon. These magnetic lashes and eyeliner are from the company called Bisutang, and Bisutang was kind enough to send me these for free in exchange for my review. However, they did not ask me to leave my hair's like on my lashes right now. They did not ask me to leave a video review. Magnetic lashes and magnetic eyeliner is something that I've been wanting to talk about for a while now, especially because these ones in particular are so great and they're so much healthier for your lashes than using eyelash glue. I have tried magnetic lashes in the past, the ones where both of the lashes are magnetic and you have to like clamp them onto your eyelashes. So if you'd like to see my review on those, just click the link up above. However, those didn't really work out for me, so I no longer use them. These new magnetic lashes with the magnetic liner is like a game changer, and I think that they have finally got it down. So if you would like to see me try on these magnetic lashes and apply the magnetic eyeliner as well as my review of them, please just keep watching. And if at any point you find that you are enjoying this video, make sure to like it, and also don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more content like this in the future. Okay, so this is going to be a very detailed video. These lashes and eyeliner are trial and error, and they require a lot of practice and patience. I've used them about 5 times more or less, and I've almost got it down. So I want to share every tip that others don't tell you. So let's go ahead and apply them. So the first tip I want to share with you is that you can apply this liner first, but I like to apply another liner first because if I just start with the magnetic eyeliner first, a lot of the liner will get onto my lashes. This makes my lashes clumpy, and then I have to go and remove it prior to applying the magnetic lashes. Otherwise, the magnetic lashes might start sticking to my natural lashes. So I apply my regular eyeliner first. Okay, so the first thing we're working with is the eyeliner. Now you want to make sure you shake it about 20 times. It also tells you that in the instructions. It says that it's very important that you shake the bottle 20 times before you apply it. This eyeliner brush was intimidating to me at first, but it's actually really easy to use. Another trick I have for you guys is to keep your eye closed so that it helps to not get the liner on your lash. My right eye it's kind of hard to keep closed, so I just try to position my hand to prevent the liner from touching my lash. You could see here I still got a little bit of the eyeliner on my lash, and you could see how it just makes it look a little clumpy, and so I always have to go and remove this. So that's why I always try to prevent the eyeliner from getting on my lash. Then I wait for the eyeliner to dry. It also says you should wait in the instructions. I usually go on and do my other makeup, and then I apply the lashes just so that the eyeliner is completely dry. And now here are the lashes. I just bend it a little bit. So now it's time to apply the lashes, and this is another tricky part. So first of all, I think it's actually better to use the tweezer thing that comes with it. Then you want to make sure you're starting from the outside first. So you want to get it further to the edge, because if it's too close to the inner eye, it'll look weird. You have to like position it a certain way, otherwise the inner corner will stick out a little bit. So if anything, I would even like cut it in half or cut it a little bit so that it's like as far away from the inner corner as possible. In the beginning, you'll most likely make the mistake of having the inner corner stick up a bit, and it will look unnatural. So you'll have to practice with this. The biggest con with these lashes and liner is that you have to get it right the first time, because when you remove the lash, it'll also remove the liner, and you'll have to reapply the eyeliner. This is also similar to falsies. Like if you get it wrong, you might have to go and reapply the glue to the eyelash. You're also gonna have to work on positioning the lash. If you don't position it right, it can make your eyes look droopy, so you wanna make sure they're upright when you're positioning it. All of this requires practice and patience. However, once you get the hang of it, it just sticks and you're able to do it a lot faster. Now I'm at a point where I can quickly apply the liner and just stick on the lash. However, it wasn't like this in the beginning. Now here, the eyeliner or the magnetic lash kind of pulled my eyeliner down, so I'm just reapplying some eyeliner in this area, if that makes sense. And then I'm just kind of fixing it up at this point. I think this process takes a little bit of time, but this is also something that will be a lot quicker with more practice. Now onto my review of these lashes. I happen to really like these, and I really like the concept of using magnetic lashes and magnetic eyeliner, and I kind of feel like they're a little heaven sent because I don't like false lashes and I don't like eyelash glue. I feel like no matter how I remove the lashes, the false lashes with the eyelash glue, they end up making my lashes feel more sparse and thinner. However, I feel like false lashes can really make or break your makeup. No matter how much mascara you use, it just doesn't compare to having false lashes. So I was always torn. I didn't want to sacrifice my lashes to enhance my camera appearance, so I kind of felt like, okay, I just have to use mascara and skip out on those beautiful lashes. So that's why I say that these magnetic lashes are like heaven sent, because now I get to have like the big voluminous lashes that look really, really good on camera without sacrificing my natural, already long lashes. Another neat thing is that it also makes the makeup removal process a lot faster when you don't actually have to remove mascara. Now, as far as this brand goes, I would probably give it like a B-. I think the lashes could be a lot better, and also the liner, they need to create a different formula for the magnetic eyeliner, ones that will not stick to your lashes. I think that is like the worst part about this, is how the eyeliner will stick to your lashes and make the whole process more difficult and time consuming. Other eyeliners that I use, just normal eyeliners, they never like stick to my lashes. If they could just fix those two things, I probably would give this magnetic lash and eyeliner an A+. Every once in a while, I will hardly fill these lashes, but that requires a lot of work. You have to practice and know how to properly apply these lashes, and that's just gonna take time. It's not something that you're gonna get down when you first try them out. So usually there's a little bit of weight on my eyes. It's not too bad. However, it's not like the most comfortable feeling in the world. So I will use these lashes when I'm filming and when I'm taking pictures, and then I'll keep them on for a few hours after, and then I'll remove them. They're also super easy to remove. You literally just remove it off of your eye. You can also rub it off with like as you're washing your face with soap and water. And they don't remove any traces of your eyelash unless you happen to get some eyeliner on your eyelash. That's why it's also really important to make sure you remove any eyeliner residue off of your natural lashes. You can also reuse these lashes. I think in this container here, I have like my staple lashes, and I've probably reused these like maybe 3-5 times. So I don't really see them deteriorating anytime soon. And then also, if you want to maintain the longevity of these lashes, you just want to clean them and make sure you remove like the excess eyeliner off the back of the magnetic strip. These lashes are fun. These lashes are cheap, and I recommend them. I recommend them if you are willing to give them a few tries. This, like I said, is not a product where you use it the first time and you get it perfect. It does require practice and a lot of patience. And in the end, I happen to really enjoy them, and I love when I have a good day and I'm able to do it really quickly. The original magnetic lashes, the ones where both the strips were magnetic, were really difficult, and using the magnetic eyeliner with the lashes is just so much easier. Lastly, as far as my review goes, if you are looking to get like the best lashes with the magnetic eyeliner, I highly suggest checking out Glamnetics. Jen Im says that she really loves the lashes. I think the eyeliner is not like the biggest deal. I think it's the magic is in the actual eyelash. So if you really want those like insanely gorgeous lashes, I would check out Glamnetic. They are a little bit pricey, that's why I didn't buy them, but there's a lot of different eyelashes now, magnetic eyelashes on Amazon, and they're super cheap. Like some are like $10. Like I said, these lashes probably aren't my favorite. I feel like they could stick up a little bit more like this, but they're not like super dramatic. But I think if you were to try Glamnetic, you would get that dramatic look. So you could probably just get like eyeliner off of Amazon and then purchase the lashes from Glamnetics. But that said, with like even false lashes with glue, it's usually more expensive when you're getting like more beautiful false lashes. Well, that is it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And before I go, I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video, but I think this will kind of make it exciting. I am giving away a free pair of this set for you guys. So if you would like to enter the giveaway, just check down in the description box below for the details, because honestly I haven't figured it out yet, but I need to give this set away because the company gave me the company gave me a set to give away for my viewers. So instead of me like I guess I could think off the top of my head, what would I do? I definitely think one of the entries should be that you have to comment here and you have to comment why you want magnetic lashes, and that's it. And then just like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will pick a winner. I don't know when I would pick a winner. I think I'll pick a winner at the end of November. The very end of November, I will choose a winner for these lashes. So yeah, those are all the details, and I will also put them down in the description box below. Good luck to you all who enter, and lastly, who stayed till the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys all in another one. Bye!